Hello children, how are you?
Welcome back to our maths class. We have learned forming greatest and smallest numbers in our previous class. Today we are going to learn predecessor and successor. Okay, let us start. Predecessor refers to something that comes just before. We get the predecessor of a number by subtracting from the number. Look here, 3456 comes just before 3457. Means 3456 is the predecessor of 3457. Okay, let us understand the predecessor with the help of some numbers. Here is the number 4145. We have learned predecessor means one less than the number. 4145 minus 1 equal to 4144. 4144 is the predecessor of 4145. Next, the number 7570. We know that if we subtract 1 to a number, we get the before number, that is called predecessor. 7569 is the predecessor of 7570. Next number 4120. Let us find out the predecessor of this number. Can you say the predecessor of this number? 4119 comes just before 4120. 4119 is the predecessor of 4120. Let us move to the successor. Successor refers to something that comes after. We get the successor of a number by adding 1 to the number. 3458 comes just after 3457. That means 3458 is the successor of 3457. Look at these examples. Here the number 2397. If we add 1 to a number, we get the next number, that is successor. 2398 comes just after 2397. That means 2398 is the successor of 2397. Look at the next number 6702. Can you say the successor of this number? We have learned successor means one more than the number. 6703 is the successor of 6702. Let us try one more example. This is the number 5629. If we add 1 to this number, we get the next number. Yes, 5630. 5630 comes just after 5629. That means 5630 is the successor of 5629. Children, you have to keep in mind predecessor means one less than the number. Successor means one more than the number. Children, here are three numbers. We have to find out one less than this number. Are you ready? Okay, let us take first number 1793. Let us find out the just before the number. Yes, 1792. Okay, let us take next number 6702. Then we have to find out just before this number. That number is 6701. Okay, let us take third example 5984. Okay, here we are going to subtract 1 from this number. The answer is 5983. Here 10 less than 250. Children, to find 10 less than a number, subtract 1 from the digit at the tens place. Here 2040. Observe these examples. Look here, 10 less than. The first number 8750. Okay, let us subtract 10 from this number. Then we will get 8740. Here the next number 4580. If we subtract 10 from this number, we will get 4570. Okay, let us take next example 6120. If we subtract 10 from this number, we will get 6110. Next, 100 less than. To find 100 less than a number, subtract 1 from the digit at hundreds place. What number is 100 less than 2100? Is 2000. Observe these examples. Look here, 100 less than. What we have to do here? Yes, just we have to subtract 100 from these numbers. Okay, let us choose first one 8543. Here we are looking for a new number which is 100 less than 8543. We will get the new number by subtracting 100 from 8543. We write it down as 8543 minus 100 equal to 8443. If we subtract 100 from 8543, we get 8443. The second number 2145. If we subtract 100 from this number, we will get 2045. 7654 minus 100 equal to 7554. 1000 less than a number, subtract 1 from the digit at thousands place. Observe these examples. 1000 less than. We are looking for a new number which is 1000 less than 9876. We will get the new number by subtracting 1000 from 9876. We write it down as 9876 minus 1000 equal to 8876. Okay, look at the next number 1574. Here just we have to subtract 1000 from this number. 1574 minus 1000 equal to 576. Okay, you should observe this third example. Here 3282 minus 1000 equal to 2282. Next, more than a number. Here, one more than. Actually, what we have to find out here? Yes, successor. 3467 plus 1 equal to 3468. Then the second one 1890 plus 1 equal to 1891. Look this example. We can read it as 2350 is the successor of 2349. To find 10 more than a number, add 1 to the digit at the tens place. Observe these examples. 10 more than. It is very easy, right? 2010. Okay, next number 8542. If we add 10 to this number, we get the next number 8552. Okay, third one 1238. Just we add 10 to this number. 1238 plus 10 equal to 1248. To find 100 more than a number, add 1 to the digit at the hundreds place. Look at these examples. Look here, 100 more than. The first number 2591. Here we will get a new number which is 100 more than 2591. We will get the new number by adding 100 from 2591. We write it down as 2591 plus 100 equal to 2691. If we add 100 to this number, we get 2691. Second example 5024. Just we add 100 to this number, we get 5124. You have to observe this third example. Here 4578 plus 100 equal to 4678. To find 1000 more than a number, add 1 to the digit at the thousands place. Observe these examples. 1000 more than. Here is the first number 2432. If we add 1000 to this number, we get 3432. Next one 4678. Just we add 1000, we get the next number 5678. Look at this third one 999. Okay, 999 plus 1000 equal to 1999.
We are going to conclude today's session. We have learned
Predecessor and successor of a number.
okay, we will meet again. Thank you.